Player 456. He wants to see you.
I have a proposition for you. It's about your future and the baby's too.
About our futures. Did we ever really stand a chance?
Take this knife back to your quarters and kill them. Kill anyone who wants to kill you or harm the baby. After all the eating and drinking, they're surely fast asleep. If you slit their throats one by one, no one will notice.
Why are you saying all this to me